I'll call Jacklynn. She gonna know what to do. Hey, girl.
Hey, how are you, Queen?
You know, I was trying to figure out what to make for dinner. I'm like, you're the perfect person to call because you're a fucking chef. So can you help me make something to eat?
You know what? I think I was just about to make something totally in this whole outfit right now. That's what I was going to do.
That's so crazy. Look at how serendipitous the world is.
I know. Had you called any other time, I wouldn't have been prepared for this.
All right, Miss Jacklynn, what are we cooking today, Mama?
Ooh, we are going to amp up the ramen. We're amping up ramen. I saw your little video. I saw your video about ramen.
So we're cooking ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles.
It was a rough day for you, girl.
It was not a proud moment for me. Well, to be fair, Bob cheated, just so we're clear, but whatever. So now, what do I need? What should I get out in terms of thingies?
Okay, we're grabbing all kinds of stuff here. You got red onion, carrot, and mushrooms. Yeah.
Okay, I got a carrot in the fridge.
I'm using shiitake mushrooms. You keep carrots in the fridge?
Yes, girl. I like my carrots cold because you might need to use it for other things later.
Oh, you like that cold? Oh, well, I've never tried it. I won't judge.
So it helps to heal any bruised or swollen areas. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, girl, I'm gonna give that a try. I got one more carrot in the fridge. We need sesame oil and olive oil.
Oh, bitch! I got me a big ass bottle of olive oil, honey. God,
that's $1,000 bottle. Oh, you're gonna use olive oil.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We need sriracha.
Okay, now I didn't do sriracha. I got Cholula. I don't like sriracha. I like Cholula.
Okay, you can do that. Anything spicy. We're just trying to spice it up. You can do Cholula. Okay. You can do, if you don't have any of the sauces, you can do red pepper, crushed red pepper, whatever you want.
Or spit. Or I'll just spit in it.
Yeah, if your spit is tasting anything like hot sauce, you might need to see a doctor. We need vinegar. I do rice vinegar for this. It's Asian.
What you just call me?
Yeah.
This is so crazy. I just happen to have all of these ingredients in my apartment.
Wow. What a coincidence.
Right? This is
also,
so
for people who want to make this at home, this is the only stuff you can buy in the grocery store anymore. The Asian aisle is the only thing that's not sold out. It's true. Because racism. We need vegetable stock.
I got chicken stock.
Okay, that's fine, girl. Get it.
I want more protein in mine.
I don't think there's any protein in that, but I support you. Yes,
there is. Let me tell you right now. 5 grams of protein in the chicken stock.
You're going to be a big bitch.
Bitch. Now, I live in a New York City apartment. Space is at an equity, so we're going to use this little martini glass to put all the ingredients together.
Say like about a half cup of that vinegar.
A half cup?
Are you going to do it in a martini glass?
Yeah, girl, I don't got no bowls. We use brown sugar up in this motherfucker.
Just a little, just not too much.
Okay.
We're going to pickle some onions. How chopped are those? I miss the smell of a man, you know? It's been a while.
So, you know, as a kid, I used to eat onions as a fruit.
What? You mean like the Grinch?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Like Grinch, girl. I don't do mushrooms, so I don't have those. I'm allergic to mushrooms.
You're allergic to mushrooms?
I'm gonna make a cocktail while you do that. Very elegant passion fruit. This is organic Welch's, mama. Tequila and passion fruit juice.
Ooh. I'm out of tequila. I went through all of it. Tuesday night I went crazy. Wednesday I woke up next to a bottle of Jack Daniels and I was drinking tequila. I don't remember. Do you have one of these?
I only got 2 pans.
You got a frying pan and you got
I got a frying pan, I got this big motherfucker, and I got the little boiling one for the egg. The burner should be on, right?
The burner should be on, yes. I have never heard such a question. I'm making a meatloaf after
Sesame oil
this.
smells like pussy.
No, what kind of sesame oil you got?
Oh, bitch, that smells like vagina. Down.
No, it's sesame. That's sesame. It's real good. You just put it in there and trust me. How many times have I heard that?
Okay, let me take the egg out. Ah, it's hot. Oh.
Are you doing it with your hands?
Yes, girl. I don't have a lot of utensils.
I can't.
Wooden spoons are so fashion. Oh, it is fucking popcorn.
Yeah. I know, it's gonna get real poppy.
Oh my god. Okay, this is dangerous.
Listen, it's not good without a little risk. We're doing 2 cups.
Oh, that don't taste good by itself. Girl, you need to get you a martini. I'm about to get so drunk. I ain't eat all day because I was anticipating this. I like it spicy. Let me tell you something. I watched Chopped. Bitch, if you put too much black pepper and ketchup, the judges are like, ooh, this is too much. This is way too spicy. I'm like, girl, she just put salt and pepper in the damn bowl.
Listen, that's the hot sauce of my people.
Mayonnaise. Sesame oil smells like pussy.
I don't know. When was the last time you smelled a pussy?
When I was fucking born.
Listen, I had my phase in high school.
Oh, I did not. Really? Did you have a pussy phase?
I did.
No.
I mean, I had a
Jacklynn.
trying it phase. I tried. I couldn't. But we made an attempt.
Top ramen Nissan. No added MSG. And this is the chicken flavor, which is why I got the chicken stock. I wanted to marry all my products together.
Ooh, that looks familiar. There you go. Look at that. Got myself a nice brick.
I know a few bricks. Jiggly Caliente. Kimchi.
Shade.
I did not mean to mention only Asian queens. It just happened that way.
It's okay. It's part of the theme. We're on theme. Well, I hope you like this. I didn't even think you'd have to like this. You're cooking in full geesh.
This is what I wear around the house to make myself a snack.
I cut real thin some Julienne carrots. You see this?
Okay, what the fuck is a Julienne carrot?
It's just
and
a
where's
real...
the Romeo carrot?
It's a... Julienne with an N.
Oh, Julienne. Okay, so chop
It's a French word. We're fancy.
Oh, I'm French. My last name is French. Exchange.
Exchange. You have to say it like you hate everyone. Exchange.
Exchange. My noodles. Oh my god. There's too much going on.
You don't have any broth in there?
No. Look. It's empty. There's no broth. I don't know where the broth went. What? Ow! 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 Oh my god. It's so hot. Jesus
What's she
Christ.
I hope to God you marry someone who can cook.
I am creating a new type of ramen, okay?
Okay.
Corona ramen.
Oh my God.
Ramen. This is a special ramen. Corona ramen. I am Julietting my carrot.
Okay, yeah.
Bitch, I'm giving you Buffy, honey.
That's...
Juliet, girl. Okay, so after I Juliet my carrots, then what?
Oh, coronavirus. I gotta go. I just caught it. It's nice for cooling off the ooh, God, I am so horny. I've been locked in this house forever. I need an ice bath. Someone today, have people told you they want to come quarantine with you?
Oh, girl, I've been tempted so many times. I'm like, ooh, girl, just this one. Let me just take the dick, put it in my mouth. 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. But I haven't done it.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Girl, I think I'm gonna crack this egg open. It's literally gonna be a fucking baby chicken in this motherfucker.
It's not cooked.
All right, I'm done. I was hoping one of us would like cut our fingers off. Bitch, some Kill Bill shit.
Like nobody had that sauce.
They should get you on Chopped.
Am I doing it in drag? Is that the plan?
Yeah.
Okay, get it.
You know who's a good cook? Kimchi.
Is she really?
Well, okay, I don't know if she's a good cook. I know that she likes food. That sounds shit. What?
She likes to eat.
You know, I tried being vegan, never. I really turned the party.
I don't top, but I am a chef. This broth, which some of us don't have to have because we're creative thinkers.
Right. We're making new dishes.
And I'm gonna pour that over this. In theory.
Ramen broth. You cover everything. Oh my God, Jacklynn. Thank you so much for helping make this lovely ramen.
Of course, I'm very excited. Are you gonna eat this for dinner?
Girl, this is my dinner down. Can we do breakfast next time?
Okay, breakfast, totally.
Ooh, I love getting my French toast stuffed. All right, sounds good. All right, bitch, I'll see you next time.
All right, I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye, boo.